In this video, we will show you how to locate and remove the fuse panel and junction box on a Bantam or Ikon. To remove the junction box, locate and remove the fuse panel cover on the right side of the steering column under the dash. Remove the 2 screws above the fuse panel. You need a star point screwdriver for this. Dislodge the central junction box and it will lower to under the dash where you can gain access to the relays. Here is a diagram of all the relays and corresponding numbers. I will also link this diagram in the description. And here is a list of fuses, their amp ratings, colors and circuits. I will share both of these in the description. Please like and subscribe. Keep on the lookout for more upcoming videos.